Fitness. Oh my. I think I lost weight. From 85 now, I'm 83. Great achievement. 2 kilos per a week. 1 กิโลนะ
แม่1 กิโล
โอเคนี่ไง
1 กิโล4,900
4 แสนแค่นี้สิso อันนี้กี่กันใช่ไหมเซมเซ
ตัวนี้กับตัวนั้นคือกัน
โอเค
ตัวนี้กับตัวนี้
อันนี้เท่าไหร่
นี่กิโลนึง
แพงมากนะ บ่แพงโอเค durian peeled on the day okay so craving for durian let's go for อันนี้นะ
ตัวนี้เป็นแบบบ่หวานหลาย
ฮะ
บ่หวานหลายหวานน้อย
วัน
หวานน้อย
น้อยนี่
แม่หวานน้อยนึง
โอเคโอเค this one วัน
หวานหลาย
วันลายโอเคโอเควันหนึ่งเขาอันนี้ same same เนี่ย
เส้น
same from Thailand
ไทยแลนด์
Malaysia no
no
from Malaysia
No.
okay this one can I taste no can yeah I'll taste what pa niya okay let's taste
ที่หลายได้เขาบอกนุ่มน้อยกันเดี๋ยว
แซ่บอร่อยโอเค sweet overpowering flavor is okay and texture is okay so yun nga lang pricey siya but still okay yun nga yung taste niya is hindi siya overpowering ano lang siya subtle lang yung ano niya yung taste niya I'm actually craving for durian kanina pa. Okay, let's pay now and let's go home. I'm home. I've been craving for durian for how many days now? So, bumili na ako ng durian. And yung taste niya is subtle lang. Tapos yung amoy is hindi siya ganon ka-strong. Mild lang siya. Actually, wala nga siyang amoy kaya masarap siya. Tapos yung taste niya is subtle na may pagka-milky. And yung texture, soft. Yummy. Fitness. Now, it's Sunday. Look at this. Feeling ko pumayat na ako. Pag pumayat na ako, comment down below. This is actually the Talatsaw morning market. So itong area na to is parking space siya sa umaga, pero pag sa gabi nagta-transform siya into mga kainan. Usually dito pupunta yung mga gumigimik. After nilang gumimik, dito sila kumakain. Usually mga food dito are locals, mga ganyan, mga lugaw-lugaw, noodles, and ayun na nga yung hinihintay ko, yung binili kong pork, because kailangan natin high in protein. Parang gusto ko din ng ito, papaya, and then to it's like gulay. It's like dinengdeng. Parang like this. Parang ganito siya. Parang masarap siya. Or ito na lang, papaya. Tamahong. Tamahong with this.
Tamahong sep-sep.
Tamahong sep-sep.
Lume kami.
Okay. So 50. Ito oh, wow, grabe yung sili oh. With the potato and lemon. So waiting for the food. I got the food now. Hindi ko nakalimutan kong sabihin na no, dito pala ako kain kasi gutom na ako. Mainit-init pa. No. This is papaya pokpok with noodles. Let's eat. Perfect siyang i-partner dito sa may ano, tama kong. Tamang-tama lang yung ano niya, yung level of spicy niya.